Hello, guys. Welcome back to this long question. So, this time, let's go over this question together so that you guys at least have an idea. But this time, while I'm doing it, make sure let's do this one together. So, make sure you pause the video consistently so that you know what to do, okay? So, number one, I'm gonna choose random two equation. I always choose first two equations because why not? But this time, I will talk less. It's not because I'm lazy. It's because I just want you guys to focus on yourself. All right, step number one. Let's try to get rid of x. So I'm going to multiply by 3 on top, 10 in the bottom. I'm going to put negative to one of these two. This time, I'm going to put negative to the bottom. All right, use decimals for you guys. 3 times 10, 30x. 3 times 7y plus 21y. 3 times negative 2, negative 6z. 3 times 46, 138, I believe. Yep, that's right. Negative 10 times 3x is negative 3x. Everything is just like multiplied by 10. So like that. So when you combine them, these two disappear. 21 plus 20 is 41y. Negative 6 minus, oh gosh, this is going to be a big number. Negative 220 minus 138, oh gosh, okay. You know what, I'm too lazy, so I'm going to just use decimals for this one, okay. 138 minus 220, so it's going to be negative 82, all right. So let's do the other, choose another two, okay. So I'm going to choose this two this time. So it's going to be number 2, 3x minus 2y plus 9z equals 22. 5x plus y minus 3z is equal to 28. Okay, let's do it. Let's try to get rid of x. So I'm gonna put 5 here, I'm gonna put 3 here, and let me put negative in the bottom because I don't have a space here. It's gonna be what? 15x minus 10y plus 45z. If you don't know where I get it from, I'm just keep multiplying here and here and here, okay? Equals 110. Next, it's gonna be negative 15x, negative 3y plus 9z is equal to negative 3 times 28 is negative 84. Ooh, I can see something is coming here. So when I combine it, these two disappear. I get negative 13y plus 54z is equal to 1626. So hopefully at this time, I hope I did not make any mistake here. Says, guys, if I made a mistake, please be generous to me. Next time, next step. So I'm gonna use these two to get rid of y now. Why do I have to get rid of y? Because we need to solve for z to find all other thing. So let's do this one. Do you see these two are two different signs? So on the top, I'm gonna just multiply positive 13. In the bottom, 41, okay? So who cares? Now since these two are different sign, I don't have to put negative to one of these two, okay? So let's do it. 13 times 41, who knows? 13 times 41 is 533y. What's a 13 times? 13 times negative 96. That's going to be negative 1248z equals 13 times 82. 13 times negative 82 is negative 1066. Good. 41 times negative 13 should be negative 533y. 41 times 54, it's going to be positive 2,214. Z equals 41 times 26 is, this is going to be 0, I'm pretty sure. So these two disappear. When I do this one, I don't even have to do it, but I'm going to do it for you guys. 2214 is going to be 966. Z is equal to negative 1066 plus 1066. This one becomes 0. That's very simple and neat. So if you divide by 966 both sides, it does not matter because your Z is going to be equal to 0. All right, so we did all these things. Now I'm going to choose one of these two, but this time I'm going to choose this one because, yeah, why not? So negative 13y, because this one is closer, that's why. Plus 54z equals 26. But this time, instead of z, I'm going to plug in 0. And as you know, anything multiplied by 0 is equal to 0, so that one disappears. So I only have negative 13y is equal to 26. And if you just divide by negative 13, just remember when you multiply or divide, it should be exactly the same sign to get rid of it, okay? So 26 divided by negative 13 is negative 2. Last, we finally got z value and y value, so we have to find x value. So I'm going to choose one of these three. Again, I'm going to just choose the first one because why not, right? But you can choose the other two if you want to. Not a big deal. So here, it's going to be 10x plus 7 times negative 2 minus 2. Z is going to be equal to 0, is equal to 46. As you can see, this one disappears, so I only have 10x. 7 times negative 2 is minus 14, and that is equal to 40. I just bring this one down there. Wait, I made a mistake somewhere? Wait a second. Oh gosh, where did I make mistake? Did I copy this one down right? Oh, that's a 46, I'm sorry. Here, that should be 46. I just copied this question right. All right, do you see? Even in this question, I made a big mistake, but who cares? So plus 14 both sides. So I get 10x. Just in case, I just got 10x from here. Is equal to 46 plus 14 is going to be 60. And if I divide by 10 both sides, I just get x equals 6. So do you see I used all this space here? So your answer should be 6, negative 2, and 0. Always x, y, z order. So that's about it. And I believe you guys can do this one by yourself. And if you believe you need more practice, just come to my class. My classroom is at B221, okay? You're always welcome to ask questions. If you're interested in math or if you want to join math club, please come visit me, okay? Right, that's it, guys. I wish the best luck for you. And I love you guys. See you guys. Bye.